G'day viewers, try to enjoy the Visual Arts channel. Here I am out with my 90s Panasonic NV-RX3 camcorder, doing a bit of a filming of an old school site out of Port Kembla. Yeah, this is the site of the old Port Kembla school that is situated not all that far from the former copper smelter, and pretty famous for that too. But anyway, I thought I'd do a bit of a filming around this old school site. Yeah, right here is I'm pretty much in proximity of where the newer part of the school was built, which was strangely positioned in kind of a diagonal relative to the road. Yeah, I don't know when this part of the school was torn down, but I believe it was torn down long before the main part of the school burnt down, the old part. Although, yeah, I haven't really read up much on the history of this school, so I'm only taking a bit of potshot guessing at the moment. Anyhow, I'm just walking along the newer part of the old school that was once here. Anyway, just a bit up a little bit further is the site of where the original school used to be, the old building that used to be here. Yeah, the old part of the school was built from memory, from what I read off the history of the site. From what I read, dates to 1916. When the original building was erected, and the original building stood here right up until maybe I think 2014, 2015, before some bastard burnt the school down, which was an incredibly despicable act. So yeah, this is pretty much the area where the old school was, until some bastard burnt it down several years back. So you can see some of the foundations. A few concrete slabs here and there. Yeah, my phone's ringing, but I'm going to answer that when I finish this video. I'll let it ring out. Anyway, now passing the site where the old school building used to be, and moving down into, I assume, the playground area, or the sports area. And as seen, there's lots of junk and bits and pieces here. I'd say people use it as a dumping ground, but also people yeah, like to get out. From what I can see, I have a few beer bottles and all that here and there. People like to get out here and just get drunk and, yeah, have a bit of fun in their own mischievous way. So yeah, this is pretty much, I guess, the courtyard, playground, or sports ground. Yeah, over there is some factory buildings and stuff. I don't know about. I think they're factories, either factories or some sort of plant, or it could be part of the steelworks. Cannot say. Over down there, we've got a train. Down there we've got a really old chimney stack. I'd say that's a heritage protected item, which is why it's still standing. And over this, you got the steelworks. Alrighty, and down this way, I can see some bike jumps about. I doubt they're put together by the council because they obviously wouldn't put them in a place like this. So I'd say these are pretty much homemade by BMX enthusiasts who like to have a little bit of fun. They're actually quite well crafted too, some of these jumps. And there's a bit of creativity involved in some of these humps here. They've used some crates, pallets I meant to say. So yeah, they've stacked a bunch of pallets there and put some rugs on top. These jumps here are pretty well sculpted. Very smooth job, that. And of course over here we've got a lot of dumped trash, V energy drinks, guess dumped by the BMX riders. Obviously they like to peak themselves up with energy so they can do the jumps efficiently, I guess. So yeah, plenty of V cans around as a result. Anyway, it's pretty much almost it. Yeah, I was walking down below there earlier, and there's some yellow tape that's surrounding a bunch of bits and pieces, and it says it's a danger zone, that there is asbestos there. And I was just thinking to myself, why the fuck have they not removed them? You know, they should get on it straight away and just remove the asbestos and properly dispose of it. But instead they just leave yellow tape there, like, and just, you know, saying warning, asbestos, blah blah blah. Yeah, I mean, guess it's Wollongong Council for you. If they're in charge of that sort of thing. I mean, Wollongong Council are pretty slack, I keep hearing, so it wouldn't surprise me if they're responsible, in part responsible for the removal of that asbestos, and pretty negligent. But I don't know, any of your viewers can say otherwise about the council, comment below. But yeah, pretty disappointing that there's no action done on that asbestos. So it's down here somewhere. Yeah, it's somewhere down in this region. There we go. You can just see it down there. So down there you've got the yellow tape that's saying warning it's asbestos, and I can see a bunch of fibro down there, and nothing's been done about it. I wonder how long it's been sitting there. I wonder how long it's been since whoever put the tape there has put the tape there. Anyway, I bloody hope it gets removed soon for the sake of people's health. Alrighty, well, that's pretty much about it for this video. I believe I'm probably needed home right now. I'm guessing from that unanswered phone call, so it's time for me to head off. Alright, see you in the next vlog. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel, signing out.